Here at Daikin, we're a full-line wholesale distributor of HVAC products. We sell everything from the equipment, the furnaces, the condensers, the heat pumps, all the way down to the parts and supplies that go with them to install the units. We manufacture the product right outside of Houston in Waller, Texas. We have a huge manufacturing and logistics facility out there. Our customer base is anywhere from small one-truck dealers all the way to very large co-distributors. So in the spring of 2024, when it became pretty obvious that we were heading towards SAP, we needed to have a more effective order management system than what SAP has out of package.
SAP is an extremely powerful ERP system, but it can be time-consuming to use. Troy knew that this was going to be a challenge for him, having worked with SAP in the past, so that set them on the hunt for an alternative solution. Daikin found DataXstream and our OMS Plus product, and the rest is history.
It became evident pretty quickly that the product was exactly what we needed. Our original system was a text-based system that was developed in the 1970s. It's very, very difficult to pick up. What DataXstream allowed us to do was to have a more intuitive product that would get somebody up and running much, much faster. So we can get a new employee working within inside of a month, whereas before it would take anywhere from 3 to 4 months.
Customer walks in, whether they're picking up an order that they've already placed or they're placing a new order, we can enter into OMS Plus, whatever parts, equipment that they're ordering, and kick that over to the warehouse seamlessly. They'll pick it on their scanner and delivers it to the customer right away. Since the implementation for OMS Plus, I've seen my counter really thrive, particularly new hires. New hires have definitely thrived under the new system. Some of the very helpful features are the mass upload for an order, cloning an order. Some of these orders are just duplicates, and processing transactions with payment, whether it be a credit card, deposit on the account, or cash. It's a lot easier, it's more seamless. You get to see it as you're processing.
That ease of operation has given them the power to be able to pull information out of the system very quickly. They're able to isolate what contractors are going to need and whether or not we can supply it in a much, much faster environment. Part of the OMS platform has given us a needs attention widget. That widget allows for greater visibility on the counter side about what's available, what still needs to be updated on an order, and what of course may have come in that contractors have been waiting for some time.
They basically build a layer on top of SAP's base package ordering system and allow you to pull different parts of the ordering functions up into a layer so that you can do everything you need to do in one place. We have multiple companies involved in these 220 branches, and so the ease of intercompany transactions, all of those things we're gaining with the tools that we're getting with DataXstream. It's about a 10-month implementation cycle. In the SAP world, that's pretty much unheard of, to come up and be running that quickly. It could not have been done without the DataXstream product. I don't think there's any chance in the world that we would have been successful without it. If you are in wholesale distribution and you're operating on an SAP platform or thinking of operating on an SAP platform, that this product is one that you definitely should be looking at because it is going to make life easier for you.
If you want to know more about OMS Plus and how DataXstream can help your sales processing, reach out to us on DataXstream.com, the SAP store, or find us on LinkedIn.